Hello, J&M Reviews here, and today I am very excited to review this free sample provided by Alfie. So they are an awesome hyaluronic acid lip treatment. This is how it looks, zero point 0.5 ounces, and it tastes like pear. So I like it because the hyaluronic acid is going to help hydrate your lips, and you can put it under your lipstick, and all you have to do is use it as needed, anytime, 3 times a day. That's totally okay. It also has peptides that is going to give it more volume to your lips. If you have some wrinkles, that's okay. If your lips get too dry, that's okay. So this is how it looks. I just want to demonstrate it here on the skin. It is clear, smells exactly like a pear, and it tastes like a pear. It's non-toxic. It has very good ingredients, clean ingredients for your lips. I hope you love it as much as I do, and thank you for watching my video.